Hello, welcome or welcome back. We are Anime Date Night. As always, I'm Madison.
And I'm Corbin.
We're back with Tensura. That time I got reincarnated as a slime, episodes 17 and 18.
Slime!
We're a little behind.
Yeah.
We took a little bit of a break. Life got a little crazy on us. And we only had so many hours in the day for the craziness and stuff. So, apologies. Thank you for your patience. Very excited to be back. And, yeah.
Bro, we're back with the slime. We're back with the slime Jesus that absorbed all the sins of the orc lords and put all the orcs to work in productive ways. We've got a demon lord, Milim, you know, and there's like a whole council of demon lords.
Yeah, the chick with the pigtails.
Yep, she's now an honored guest. That's nice, except she's kind of scary.
She's scary, but she seems easily bribed with like sweets.
Yeah.
She loved the honey, and that was it was a wrap.
Dude, like led her by the nose with that honey. I was like, what? All right.
I'm trying to think. So the orcs and the ogres and the monster people formed a nation.
And the goblin.
The Jura Tempest Federation, I think.
That's the one.
Capital city is Rimuru.
Yep.
He didn't know what the fuck to do about this, but the people around him decided, and that was just that.
Power democracy, baby. By acclamation.
And they formed an alliance with the dwarves.
Yeah, man. He showed up with his whole army, but he decided this wasn't like
It wasn't
a bad
smoke
problem.
he wanted.
Yeah, and he gave him legitimacy. Beautiful.
He sent his bitch baby, the one that poured the beer.
Yeah.
And,
the rude one. Now he works for Rimuru, making his amends. But listen, let the culture flow. Let's get some, you know, plumbing with fresh water and shit.
Listen.
Some civilian infrastructure. But now we've got a demon lord in the mix. I don't know how that's gonna happen. How that's gonna go. What we got?
I don't know. She's giving me Kishavika Kisuisu vibes, and
Kinda.
I feel as though he's just like building his bench. You know what I'm saying? Like he's got a really strong first string. He's got a pretty damn strong second string. But with the introduction of new players, you got to reevaluate your lineup.
The strength of diversity, man. I love it. They're bringing different kinds of magic and skills together. All the things they're going to create. I love it.
We're getting near the end of the first season.
Bro,
fucking finally.
Eight more episodes.
No shots. It's been fun, but it feels like it's been really long. I am fighting the beginnings of a cold. I blame this one. I have no proof.
Everybody blames the ginger.
But bear with me if I sound a little sinusy, because I am. And well, I'll keep it pushing.
And hey, if you want to hear Madison hack out a lung, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. Sign up for those notification bells if you want to hear her blow her nose. Come over to Patreon. We're giving you full-length coughing sessions as we go through boxes of Kleenexes. We've got Freer, it's free. And Madison will cough the entire time. Or something to that effect.
This fucking guy. Also speaking of Freerin, we're gonna have recording time.
Yes.
When I have the thing.
Yes.
Monday after next.
Monday after next?
Yes.
Wow, crazy.
I know. We're gonna try really hard to catch up on some Freerin. We kind of stalled out near the end of the season, which is kind of weak sauce. So we're gonna try to get back up on that, and I'm gonna
listen. We owe the people Freerin, even if Toho does not feel the same way. That's all right. We'll just take it over to another platform. But also come join us over on Patreon. There's a lot of good stuff going.
Yeah.
Early reactions, unedited reactions. We got movies going on. We're doing your name. Mm-hmm. Yep, that's the one. Your name.
But again, thank you for your patience. We were our schedule was kind of wonked a little bit. So we got off track. We are now back, and we're excited to keep it going.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right, let's do this thing.
On with the show.
I wanna go dive into the slime.
City of monsters.
Yep.
Yeah, pretty much.
Sure can be true.
It is.
I'm glad we're on the same page. I know, it's pretty great. Cool. Bro, he saved us all. He can save you too. We should seek a good relationship.
Yeah. No.
I would.
He hasn't started any smoke. I wouldn't try to start any either.
Is it even possible? You don't even know. If I give you an honest answer, I don't know. Yeah. So you should assume benevolence. Okay. Sure, let them come from around the world. Meet the slime.
The The adventurers.
Yeah! Spread the good word of Rimuru. From across the land, come and meet the slime. He has hospitality for all.
Apparently Rimuru is hundreds of times stronger than, or I'm sorry, Milim is hundreds of times stronger than Rimuru.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you did get tossed.
Oh, he also got renamed.
No, he's Gabaru. Just, validated as Gabaru.
Well, no, I mean like he was named up and leveled up stuff by accident.
リムル様が対応したと伝えてあります。
よし、ミリムの件はしばらく様子を見るとして。
Play it cool. I'm down for it.
これはリムル様の回復薬です。ヒポクテ層を 99% 抽出したもの。
Hipokute herbs.
That's pretty good stuff.
作れるのは上位回復薬ハイポーション。たった 1%、それが性能の。
Interesting.
That 1% matters. So we're up to 100%?
No, I think it's 99.
おお、では鑑定してみるぞ。
And if he can absorb it, we can mass produce it.
やったなベスタ。間違いなくフルポーションだぞ。
見事ですなベスタ。
Cool, baby. Appreciate you, Vesta.
さすがだなベスタ。こう
We
いう
earn
研
your
究は
honor.
やはりお前が適任だと思ってたぜ。
He is such a good dude to be able to like still be nice to this guy. Cause he was a drunken asshole.
Listen, the forgiveness and magnanimity of the slime is there for all who seek it.
That's funny.
Let's sell this shit because he's a capitalist slime.
この薬は性能が良すぎるんだよ。
Too effective. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, maybe, right tool for the right job. We don't throw $10,000 solutions at $100 problems.
Yeah.
ローポーションの生産をテンペストで請け負ってはいかがですか。
それはありだな、旦那。
Yeah, baby.
That would make them a lot of money. This is such a capitalist.
僕は必要量を仕入れるだけで済む。
なるほど。それはどちらにも好都合だな。
It sure would. We're gonna get this potion. We're gonna get a fine specificity on how exactly potent these potions are. We're gonna get consumer testing on this thing and everything. There's gonna be definitive levels. Oh snap! Somebody's coming for that smoke. All right, who wants it now?
How did he get those wings? I forget.
The bats in the cave.
Okay.
All right, who wants it?
何がどうなっている？
新たな客がやってまいりまして、その客に対してミリム様が激。
Uh oh.
Is he someone she knows or just like a rando?
It's Milim had a problem with it. Oh.
リグルド、大丈夫か？
これはリムル様。
Whoa! Oh, I don't know. That looks like that's pretty much a cause for concern. That looks like that is very much a cause for concern. Okay. Bruh.
俺は魔王カリオン様の三重士。国評がフォビ。
Beastketeers, shut up. Of all the Beastketeers. Be ashamed if something happened to it, huh? I do not think it is fit. Surely you jest. Oh. Oh, nah, bro.
Is that how he lost it the first time?
Okay. Alright. These Beastketeers can get it. They can get it.
Is that Milim or is that Rimuru? That's, yeah.
Milim took exception. That is not how we do things here. Yeah.
He looked afraid when
My
my besties!
Okay. Yeah, it makes perfect
If
sense.
you
how that
fuck with
happened.
my bestie, you fuck with me!
って欲しそうだな。
Come on, come on. She did this for you, bro.
褒めていい状況なのか？
Yes.
Yes.
カリオンとか。
Thank you. How you gonna handle it, bro? How do you wanna play it?
俺の許可なく暴れないと約束していなかったか？
The best answer.
それは。
Reminder of her promise.
だが、今回はリグルドをかばってくれたということで、昼飯抜きで許してやるか。
Oh, I mean, okay. Alright. Mess him up! Kick him! Let him have it. Let him have it. Wait, don't kill him though. Don't kill him. Okay.
Okay, you can have lunch. You can have lunch. Stop it.
Not worth this man's life.
Just give her the fucking deli ham sandwich.
You expect me to answer a lowly slime? Oh. Bro, you about to die. You about to die.
俺は魔王カリオンとやらを知らないし。
Bro, you ready to throw down at this hoedown?
敵に回すつもりなのか？
偉そうに。この町はこんな下等な魔物に従うのが。
Yeah.
1000% they are. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
お前今度何かしたらマジで晩飯を抜くからな。わかった。おとなしくするのだ。
He speaks Milim.
I will whoop your ass.
支配しているのは本当だし、そちらがその気なら戦争するのもやむを得ないと思っている。
Bro, you want this smoke? You can fucking get it.
Think carefully before you answer me.
You want it, you can get it, bro.
他の魔王たちも俺たちの戦いを見ていたらしいな。カリオンのやつ、約束を破りおって。
Oh yeah, they weren't supposed to interfere with each other, right?
Yeah, that's right, bro.
I'm just glad she's wearing pants.
Yeah.
だって殺すわけにはいかないだろ。魔王カリオンに伝えろ。俺たちと交渉したいなら日時を荒。
Okay.
Yeah, you can come correct if you want to talk.
Well, you can come with a fucking appointment.
Yeah. Go ahead.
と後悔させてやる。
Bitch, I wish you would.
あの様子じゃ伝言は無理っぽいな。
That's okay. You can get this smoke anytime.
それはリムルにも教えられないぞ。お互い邪魔をしないという約束なのだ。
Don't do the slime if you can't do the time.
ゲとの約束か？それとも他の魔王も関係しているのかな？いや、それは大丈夫だ。
It's classified.
部下を使って邪魔してきたんだろ？俺たちはマブダチなんだからお互いに助け合う。
Just gonna go ahead and rope her in on this.
Play that bestie card.
Got him.
ミリムがどんな約束をしたか知っておかないと俺が知らずに邪魔しちゃうかもしれないしさ。
How could you say no?
そうだ。今度俺が武器を作ってやるよ。
Let's not sweeten the pot.
さ、新しい武器。
Oh yeah, because he analyzed those different kind of metals.
ちょろい。あまりにもちょろすぎる。
You're playing with fire, bro.
Come on, Rimuru. Don't get a big head.
カリオン、フレイ。そしてミリムがゲルミュットを使って傀儡となる魔王の誕生を目論んだと。
Ah. And Galmad was the poison doctor thingy. Plague doctor, that's the word.
これは他の魔王たちも絡んでくるでしょうね。なんということを。トレイニー様にも相談せねば。
Is that the Dragon
The
nymph person?
Uh-huh.
巻き起こった暴風はより勢いを増しつつリムルたちの国を飲み込んでいくことになるの。
Ooh, we got ourselves a problem.
That's not good sounding.
商業の大国である。この国からジュラの森へオークロード調査団が向けられ。
Kingdom of Falmuth, Kingdom of Shiltrazo, Kingdom of Ingracia, Kingdom of Blumond, Sealed Cave, Lake Sis,
So I'm
Canat Mountains.
I'm
What?
assuming that the forest is like down further south and east of this map. Because I see the armed nation of Dwargon,
Yeah,
and there's the sealed cave.
yeah.
金でかき集められた荒くれ者の集団である。
Survey Corps. Ha! If you know, you know.
Ooh, God. I hope it's Rimuru's forces and not nobody else's.
Hope it's no one else dealing with starvation.
した人間がいるようだ。頭、どうしやす。
Nothing, they're gonna bring the monster here.
お世話になります。すいやせんね。
Mushy mushy!
来るぞ。
Oh, that's a big crustacean. A night spider. Oh no.
You can miss me with that.
命令だ。全員生き残れ。
You know, it's like your chess strategy. This is a D&D group.
Bloody.
後できっちりつけてもらうからな。
Bro, fuck up this night spider.
あれ、カマルさんじゃないですか？お久しぶりっす。
Oh, okay, you good, bro. You good.
And they're still wearing all the gifts they gave them.
Mm-hmm. I got my small sword for this.
Gapta's like, I got this.
Bro, Gapta got it. You're for dinner today. Yeah. Straight up. Straight up. Yeah, man.
こいつめちゃ
Gapta.
めちゃ美味しいっすよ。
Gapta's that bitch, man. Gapta's that girl.
Oh, yummy, yum, yum.
Okay, why does it look kind of good though?
Because
It's
it's,
like a huge crab oil.
listen, crustaceans, man.
ウラテンペスト連邦国の代表をしているリムルテンペストだ。
本当にスライムが。
Yeah, baby.
Yeah. Would someone lie about being a slime?
それとミリムだ。
That's Milim. She's a demon lord.
It's disproportionate.
ブルムンド王国とファルムス王国からそれぞれ国。
Yeah, those were two of the ones we just saw, which would be the third one of the map to come visit.
偉そうにしてるんだよ。おかしいだろ。なんなんだい。
Oh, do you need a demonstration too?
Everyone does. It's fine.
おっぱい。
Tell you right now, bruh. Tell you right now, it's the wrong move. Wrong move.
He just called her tits?
He sure did. He sure did. And he immediately paid for his disrespect.
And it's hilarious because I get the sense that she didn't even realize she was doing it. She just did it and they went, oh shit, I'm sorry.
I wasn't supposed to start issues in diplomacy, but he had it coming.
Listen, he didn't, we had to talk.
Bruh, you're gonna respect the slime and you're gonna respect my secretary. It's gonna be both.
There's some buffer, but we're good now.
ちょっと我慢が足りないところがあるんだ。許してやってほ
Bro,
し
that's
い
the hospitality and grace of the slime.
I mean, don't call her fucking tits.
Yeah, for real.
She's got a name and he just told you what it was.
心を広く持たぬからそんな短気なのだぞ。俺は人間とも仲良くしたいと考え。
Okay, let's restart this conversation.
貿易？
ああ、実はドワーフ王国とも国交を開いている。
ドワルゴンと？
この
Yes, sir.
I got roads that I'm building through this forest too.
Yes.
Yes, indeedy, baby. Yes, indeedy.
私が保証します。
ベスター大臣。
元大臣です。
Now I'll work for the slime.
The implications of disrespect to Rimuru were really just unnecessary.
Bro, his whole team gonna stand up.
納得してくれたかな。
Or do I gotta show you black lightning? Like, what's it gonna be?
僕はやぶさかではありません。ただし、あなたが本当に人間の味方なのかどうか、しっかり。
Got a treaty sign, baby. Like, what do you want?
I mean, you're alive, aren't you?
Okay, what do we got?
¿Qué quieres?
はあ？一体何を言って。
Understand how? Yeah, that's a tune to strike. That's a tune to strike.
君たちにオークロードを倒した英雄となってもらいたいのだよ。
What?
実際にはヨウムがオークロードを倒したという風に。
Why?
I'll give you all the credit and all the goodwill, baby. It's fine.
英雄を助けた信用できる魔物という立ち位置を。
Huh.
If y'all are gonna be kind of racist, I'll give you your own champion. Let's make this easier. The monsters came and helped y'all out.
なるほど。さすがです。
How could you say no? How could you possibly say no? Everybody wins.
あんたが邪悪な存在じゃないってのは、あいつらを見てよくわかった。
Yeah.
どこか安全な国に向かうつもりだったからだ。
Huh.
決めたぜ。
Is he gonna settle here? Okay.
He's going with the plan. Off
Sure.
by the slime.
ここからはリムルの旦那と呼ばせてもらう。何なりと命じてほしい。
You got a new convert. Welcome to the fold, brother. Brotherhood of the slime.
英雄に見えるよう修行を行うことになった。
Just some good old-fashioned propaganda.
気づかれませんでしたか、ティア。
あたいだって中庸道家連の一員なんだ。
Is that the clown person?
No, it's probably subordinate to the clown.
私は心配なのです。
New
A
clowny.
different clown.
魔王ミリムが興味を持った理由は知るべきだと思うよ。
確かに。もっと情報を集めて検討。
No, I guess he was just keeping his eyes closed.
Yeah. I'm just like, they gotta find out too. But they're gonna be fucking around with this nation, and I don't appreciate it. Already, I don't appreciate it. You fucking with the civilian infrastructure going on here.
Yeah.
あのカリブリスが復活するって慌ててたよ。
カリブディス。
Ooh, Charybdis.
まずは封印の地を探し出し、カリブディスを手なずけることができるか。
Tame.
って言ったでしょ。それじゃあたいは行くね。
He's one of the ones that she identified.
Oh, what new power does arise?
楽しみですね。
Okay.
Man, Rimuru eat that bitch too.
I mean, I don't know. Rimuru struggled with the orc.
Yeah,
Oh, is that the episode?
I figured.
Okay, and there's no post-credit scene. Cool. On to the next episode. On to episode 18.
On to episode 18. Here we go.
Evil creeps closer.
Good. I was afraid evil was gonna stay away forever.
Oh, stop.
Start out with the intro. We keep coming back to Shizue.
Yeah. Skip intro.
There's something there that's not fully resolved. Previously on. Yep, Beastketeers figure it out.
Oh, he's big mad.
Okay, let him be. Oh, you want to go after Milim?
Look, she knocked you out twice? A bitch.
A fucking bitch. Phobia the Black Leopard bitch.
魔王カリオン様でも
バカ野郎カリオン様ならこんな無様はさらさなかっただろうぜ
You really feel that way about it, huh? Okay.
しかしこのまま成果なく戻るのは俺の
You should, though. You should cut your losses.
Gambler's fallacy. You gotta keep going because you already put in X.
俺たちでも及ばぬような技術を持っていやがる
Okay.
ああ魔王ミリムがいなかったとしても俺の対応は間違っていた
Okay, I'm glad you understand.
奴らの信頼は得られなかっただろうからな
Yeah.
だが今更だぜこの屈辱は怪我が癒えても消え
I'm glad you understand.
頭では無理だってだけどこればっかりは理屈じゃねえんだよ
Listen, he's processing his big feelings. Oh, and what's a way but to stir the pot? Some clown shit, more clown shit.
できますねごきげんよう皆様私はフットマンと申します
Nah, bro, I don't trust clowns. That just come
Is
out
he
of
one of the
woods
ones who
and
was also mentioned?
The moderate harlequin.
Yeah,
Footman.
he was the one that old girl said she called. The pink-haired clown.
そんなに警戒
Her. Yeah.
私はね怒りと憎しみの感情に呼ばれてやってきたのですよ
I don't like any of these answers. I
This
do
is
not
a really-
trust clowns that just come out the woods. Not even in magical worlds.
What about clowns that can sense your anger and appear because you're mad?
I don't like that anymore. And then there's clowns that come from behind that clown.
フォビオ様このような者どもの話を聞く人
Listen to this
Agreed.
man. Listen to this man. You can't kill me. I'm not alive.
勝ちたいんだよね魔王ミリムにだったらさあんたも魔王になっちゃいなよ
Problems.
This feels like the same kind of agreement that they made with the orc dude who ended up cursed and like starving his people.
Yep.
It was an orc, right?
Yeah.
ご存知
Big bad Charybdis.
That name, man.
だと
あの大怪魚の邪悪な
Ooh, a giant beast fish. Okay.
Oh, troublemaker.
待て
なりません、フォビオ様
俺は
Don't make deals with clowns that come out from nowhere in the woods. That's
Like
all
a-
I can tell you, boys and girls.
Like a
Don't
fish
do
on a
it.
hook.
違ってるよねあたいもそう思うよその点フォビオ様なら適任だよね
You play stupid games. You're gonna win
Yeah.
some stupid prizes.
我々だけではカリブディスを従えることはできませんからね
核封印された場所を見つけたけどこの
That fucking little demon horns.
俺がカリブディスを従えることができるかどうか
フォビオ様なら必ずや成功するでしょう
I don't be trusting clowns popping up out of the woods trying to pump me up.
They're telling you everything you want to hear.
Bruh.
事の顛末を伝えるのだ
しかし
カリオン様に迷惑はかけられね
Clown shit. I'm joining the circus, bruh. I'm joining the circus.
He's just resigning?
え裏となり俺の力を魔王ミリムに認めさせてやる
This is ill-advised.
This is a lot for getting knocked out by a badass.
しかしカリブディスの力は未知数くれぐれもお気をつけください
Please leave me alone with the clowns that came out of nowhere in the woods. I have made a deal with them, and now I work with them. Tell my lord, I did the best I could.
And he's acting like one.
No, I'm gonna go ahead and say probably not.
では向かうとしましょう
あ
Got bigger fish to fry.
あを合わせたならあの魔王ミリムの憎たらしい面を泣きっ面に変えてやれるだろう
Bad motivation.
Wait, you wrapped your hair and then put everything. You put your towel underwater?
You know, I guess just to keep her hair from spilling out all over the place. Even if it is wet, it just kind of keeps it from falling in her face.
Guess.
やりましょうせーのあっち楽しそうだ
Bro, with the little baby slimes! Come on, little rubber slimes!
あいえリムル殿の疑いはとっくに晴れている
He's just enjoying a vacation at this point.
Pretty much, he's just relishing the amenities.
ここは実に居心地がよろしくてですね
What did I just say?
I don't want to get back on the
休みもな
road.
かったですしゆっくり
Nah.
Dusty and cold and hard. No hot food. Come on.
とかかっこいいこと言ってたくせに聞いちゃいね。おい
He's lost.
He's got a little sake bucket.
英雄に仕立て上げる協力をしてくれる約束
Are you telling me to get back to work?
ならいいや。のんびりしててもやることはやってんだな。
さて
Can't ask for too much more.
He got his chores done first. He used sake basket.
ってるんだけど
Yep.
いやいやそれはありがたいことですが
Not with us.
そんなことはいいんだよフューズ君。道ができれば今後の取引にも便利だろ。
And you'd be willing to help shell out the cost of that, right?
Well, because remember, he's making a sales deal with the Dwarven Kingdom. See?
やっぱり向こうに行こうかな。
Oh, tomfoolery.
たのですけどね。
確かに異様な容器を感じるな。
Sounds like clown shit, man.
死体
カリュブディスとは精神生命体の一種です。この世界で力を
Why do I feel like he's a sacrifice to revive Charybdis? Because they're like acolytes or some shit.
Yeah. We can do it with one corpse.
It's giving, we need you to revive our master. You have to die.
Am I about to die? Oh no! I've been betrayed by the clowns that came out of the woods and made a deal with me. Oh, I don't know, man. I feel like there is no way out at this point.
持たなかったらどうなる。
いずれ自動的に復活しちゃう。
And then we just gotta deal with it.
そういうこと。
さすがです。
いい
Let me do what the clowns that came out the woods to offer me a deal say. What's the worst that could happen? They've been straight with me so far.
俺の体に従えてあの小生意気な魔王ミリムを。
This is a bad idea. This is firmly a bad idea.
カリオンの部下ですね。
簡単だったね。
Oh no!
用意してたレッサードラゴンの死体いらなくなっちゃったね。
We already gathered them up. Jesus!
憂いなしですからね。
Bruh. It'll revive with the corpses that we just happen to have nearby. I get it.
ミリムちゃんはすごいですよ。すぐに魔物を発見するので、今回も狩りが楽。
We have to talk about sustainable harvesting if we're eating like this.
今夜もごちそうなのだ。
お疲れさんお疲れ。
We as a society cannot keep having feasts every night. We are gonna have to ration and work a little bit more efficiently than that.
トレイニーさんいやちょっと
But
What
she's
happened to her
different.
hair?
Yeah, she's not happy. What's going on?
私はトライアドのトライア。
Try it. Okay.
いやそれよりそのさっきと姿はどういうわけだ。
緊急事態でございます。
Okay.
Charybdis?
Charybdis.
カラミティモンスターであるカリブディスが復活いたしました。
Calamity class. I gotta sneeze.
They know.
ボーイであります。
It's violence.
トレーニーたちが足止めを行っておりますが、
Damn, it's getting serious straight up.
カリブディスの目的は
Over
この
here.
地である模様。
Yep.
Yeah. I can't build roads if I got goddamn Charybdis. Oh, that's okay. Rimuru can fly to swallow that bitch in the air.
飛行戦力を用意すべく震源に参りました。
I'm gonna get my anti-aircraft, anti-Charybdis guns going on.
さすがは森の支配者にして守護者たる暴風竜ベルドラ様の申し子と言えるでしょう。
Child of Eldora, huh?
Wait, so they might be cool. Because Veldora is like in my stomach, so.
So if I absorb them, they can chill.
ってるの俺を狙ってるってことか。俺の中にベルドラがいることに気づいているのかも。
I want my mom/dad back. I want my parent.
脅威となりますよ。何しろ魔王と違い話が通じる相手ではないのです。
Okay, we just got to go straight to swallowing it.
固有能力のサモンモンスターでメガロドンというサメ型のものを異界から召喚して暴れる。
Is it gonna create a Sharknado? Is it gonna create a Sharknado? It sends giant megalodons out of the sky? Bro, we got ourselves a Sharknado problem here.
より代にした模様。
あ魔王並みの化け物い
Yup.
13 megalodons.
That's the problem. We're gonna have flying sashimi for dinner tonight.
連れてはいないかカリュブディスごときこの私の敵ではない
You didn't need to take off your clothes to demonstrate that point. It's okay though. We'll keep the conversation pushing.
おい秘書勝手に断るな
Yeah, we can use her power. Come on now, let's not trip.
友達だから何でも頼ろうとするのは間違いです
It'll be a joint effort, it's fine.
ぜひともお力添えをお願い申し上げます今めちゃくちゃ困ってるんだけど
Well, then say something, Rimuru. What's your problem, baby? Speak up.
せっかく私
Oh, you will. Give me my first line, babe.
ミリムに頼りすぎるのもな
I mean, alright.
カリュブディスを倒す準備しろ友達のために
Man, we were just about to build a road and shit. You see how annoying these distractions are from civilian infrastructure?
We had goals.
We're just starting to establish some trade relationships. We'll get to it back. We'll get back to that. Now I gotta deal with Charybdis. Hell nah. I'm gonna swallow this bitch.
絶対に勝てそう
Except for Milim.
逃げて次の策を考えるけどそうじゃないなら正面から自分の目で敵の強さを
Man, fuck Charybdis. Charybdis ain't shit. I got slime on my hands. Motherfucking right I am.
しかしあれですなリムル殿は我々人間のような
I wonder why.
とても魔物とは思えませんよ
ああそうかもな信じられないかもしれないけど
And that was that day that racism was cured.
Shut the fuck up!
俺は多分あの人と同じ異世界人だったんだ
Isekai.
Yeah.
シズさんの姿で俺がかっこ悪い真似はできないだろ
Yeah, okay.
やっぱりリムルさんは信じられる人だよ
100%, baby. Yeah, we gotta mess up a demon lord.
か
そう魔王レオンは後だまずはカリブディス
We got priorities for season 2.
We got
I'm not mad.
milestones.
I'm not mad about it.
武装国家ドワルゴンの中間地点相手は
Look at these. The
It
armored.
is so
it's-
shiny, you know.
We're getting Sharknado up in this bitty. It's alright. Woo!
It's like a blue eyes white dragon on crack.
Do 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 do
That was the
do.
episode! Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, bro.
Well, alrighty.
Yo,
That was that.
man, I'm glad that we have ourselves a reasonably good Calamity class demon to round out season 1 with, and we've got some goals for season 2. So I feel like, you know, we're trucking along with that time I got reincarnated as a slime. I'm not sure if there's a season 3 coming out this year.
I think so. I think there is.
That'd be tight. I don't
Yeah,
know. Hopefully
I
maybe
think there is.
fall or something. Just kind of give us a break or something. You know, shoot. Thank you for joining us for this this double episode of That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime. We've only got another 3 of these sessions
3 1.
because we got 6 more episodes.
Yes. I
Yeah.
think that's right.
So as always, hit that like and subscribe. Come help show some love for the channel. Show some love for Patreon. Show some love to Discord. Show some love for your mom if you have that kind of relationship. If not, I'm very sorry.
Okay.
That's what I got.
Alright. Well, that'll be this episode of Anime Date Night. We'll see you guys next time.
Catch you on the next one.
Bye.